Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I wanted to share with you a flea market haul. I have a flea market haul because I also have a couple of things that a friend just gave me. We went to the flea market together and she had a little bag of goodies that I got some stuff out of. So I just wanted to share everything that I got. So let's go ahead and jump in and show you what I got. Alright, so the first thing I picked up was this accessory kit, the Singer old accessory kit. Honestly, I didn't even pick it up for necessarily the parts. I picked it up for the box because I thought it would be really cool to display in my house, in my little craft area. So, but it came with the book that I thought was really cool as well. It has a lot of cool old sewing images, and yeah, so I have quite a good collection of sewing books. So I got both of these, the set, for $3. So I thought that was a really great deal. And I think it would look cute in my little shelving unit thing that I have here. So I got those. I also picked up a couple of things from one individual. She had this really cool book, little book thing, and I specifically bought it because it has maps in it. My son is going to be going to Alaska, and I'm making him a travel book, and I thought this would be really cool to add a couple of these in there. And it's from 1952, so I just loved the paper too in the back. So I loved this, and then I think, let's see what else. Oh yeah, so I actually got all these four pieces. I think she gave them to me all for $5. So I actually, this was kind of in a booklet style, and I shared it with my friend who was here, Kim, Creative Practicality. She came over and we went to the flea market together. So we always share stuff because we never can use the whole thing. But he's actually taking a train to the, on the trip. My son is taking a train, so I thought this would be cool to add a couple of these little pieces in there for like ephemera, because it's like a little train ticket, like an old-fashioned train ticket or bus ticket, one of those. Either way, it's cool. And then she had a little set of this like paper, trying to keep that whole. I just love this. Look how cool this paper is. Little paper pads. And then I don't think this has a date on it or anything, but I love the little, even this thing is really cool. And then I had he had the whole stack of this. Again, I shared this with Kim, so I basically gave her several pages out of each month. And yeah, it's basically just a calendar from 1961. That I thought would be really cool. So yeah, and then so those pieces are really cool. I like all that. And then to go along with that train book, the guy, I had to pay $5 for this, but I don't know. There was a couple of really cool pictures in here and I like it because it basically kind of shows the evolution of a train. So I'm almost kind of feeling like I might want to use this for the cover of the book. I was thinking about doing a traveler's notebook size, but it might be cool to make this the cover. I'll have to think about that, but I liked those two pieces. And we also found this learning pad, primary learning pad, and look how old this paper looks. It's so cool. I have a lot of little golden books that I want to try to put together this year, hopefully. I mean, if plans are plans, you know how that goes. And then speaking of little golden books, I found this little golden book, Raggedy Ann golden book. It was only $1. I thought it was pretty cute. So I'll add this to my collection. And this is the vintage flea market information if you're interested, if you live in California. So I'll just leave that there and you can pause that if you're interested in checking that out. And then here is a story in pictures. I really liked this book. I thought it was Really cool. It's very elementary, but I love the photos. I mean, the photography, I love the pictures in here, and I just think this is really super cute. I've got a couple of books that I think this would work really well with. So I'll just flip through this real quick. Yeah, so I'm excited to have that. And then my Kim gave me she got a couple of music sheet books. So she found this one in there and tore it off and gave it to me, and this one too, with the railroad song. So I thought it'd be cool to add to the junk journal. And then I also picked up quite a few. I got quite a few little goodies here. So I picked up some of this crocheted purple trim. I don't typically find purple. It's kind of a harder color for me to find. I don't have a lot of purple in my collection. So I'm glad that I found that. And then I found this little like runner thing. I thought that was really cute. I mean, that would make a really, really sweet little pocket on something. And then this little pieces, she charged us $1 for 3 of them. And I'm like, yes, please. So this is the red one. It's really pretty. And then the green one and the yellow one. And then I also picked up the other one that matched the other thing. Thought that was really cute. And then my friend got me this. She brought a whole box thing, and I just pulled out some stuff from the box. So I thought this was really cute with the ribbon. And then there's this one that says hugs and kisses. And then this is some rickrack. And then there's some black rickrack, really thin, like how thin this is. And then kind of a royal blue color. And then like an aqua. And then thicker light blue. And then this little pink flowers are really cute. And then there's this autumn one that says cranberry turkey stuffing pie. Love that one. And then there's this one that's got little, this is just from Hobby Lobby, so but it's not that old, but it's got succulents on it. I'm going to put this actually in my things for my buy journal from what I've been working on. And then the really cute little pink hearts. So yeah, so now I can go ahead and put all this stuff away. Oh, one more. This little sweet, so sweet. It's just got little cupcakes on it, and it just says so sweet. And that's it. So that's all the things that I found at the Vintage Flea Market. And I hope you guys see you next time. I'll see you later. Bye.